Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have a 2014 Honda Civic, and in this video I'll show you how to remove your front driver's side door panel. So first thing we're gonna do, obviously open the door, and we have our panel here. Okay, so these are the tools I'm gonna use. It's a Phillips screwdriver, and you'll need something to pry off in here, as you can see. Oops, sorry, it's not focusing. Hello. Okay, yeah, this thing. Okay, you see? So you'll have to pry it out somehow. You could actually use your nail, but screwdriver or something would work better. So yeah, let's start. With the first thing, we'll have to remove this cover. I'm gonna put you on a stand now. Okay, let's start. First thing, let's get rid of this. Alright. Second thing, you'll have to get a screwdriver or something and get right here in the corner. You have a little dip place where you could actually put your screwdriver or any tool, and you want to raise up as much. Then you can take your hand and pull up the cover and slowly, gently remove it. Alright, here we have connectors. Unplug the connectors by pressing the middle piece. This. Alright. Okay, this is where we're gonna need our screwdriver. So we have to remove one screw here and the other one in here. Next step, once we have the screws out, we have to do is we'll have to unclick the panel from the door. It's being held by clips. So let's start. The best place is over here in the bottom. Just grip on it and pull. And once you have everything, once you have the panel loose, you just raise it up. That's it. It is normal. If you lose a clip, you can always put it back in like this. Alright, so you just put it in, and then when you're gonna need, you just click it back in. So now you have access to your panel, to your door, and do whatever you have to do. So now I'm gonna put everything back on. Simply put the cover first, the top, slide the top, get the connectors out. You have to click in the door back into the panel. Opposite. Good. The long silver screw goes in bottom. The short black one goes on top. Connect the connector. There are two connectors, and first thing, slide in this piece, this side, and click it in. Okay, good. After that, take the cover and slide it back in. So this is how you do it. If this helps, press like and have a great day. Bye.